Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we'll be covering benzene reactivities. Now, what I have here on the next page is this beautiful summary of like reactions, and they're like pretty much your cheat sheet to understand what's going on. And these are all the reactions that work for KMNO4. Now, the whole point of KMNO4 is you need to at least have one benzylic hydrogen. If you have that one benzylic hydrogen, then automatically you can chop off whatever left of it, like the chain. You can have this long continuous chain. You can get rid of it. And that last carbon that is connected to the benzene ring, you're just going to make it become a carboxylic acid. You guys do not need to know the mechanisms at all for these. So pretty much these are all the reactions you guys want to have and what can help you create a carboxylic acid. Now, the only one that does not work if you have a carbon that has no benzylic hydrogens coming out of it, then automatically you will get no reaction at all. So definitely pay close attention to this one, okay? But for the most part, the other ones are beautiful. If you have triple bond, double bonded O, they all make carboxylic acids. Okay, now let's do this. Now I have this fun question that I created on my own, and hopefully it helps you guys out to understand how KMNO4 works. Now remember, this is a video. You're able to pause it and try out the questions on your own to see how much you know. And definitely use the cheat sheet I gave you guys to help you out. Okay, so let's take it step by step. For the KMNO4 reaction, we definitely can work with this triple bond. So let's draw this benzene ring out first. So for the benzene ring, I'm making a carboxylic acid. We can also change the carbonyl at the bottom. We can make it become a carboxylic acid. For the carbon chain on the right side, we have at least one benzylic hydrogen. So we're going to chop off the rest of the chain and just make this last carbon become a carboxylic acid. All right, now the chop chain, we do not have any benzylic reactions, any benzylic hydrogens, so we cannot change this at all, and we're going to keep it the same.